yeah, I'm a star. Hate on me now, cause I'ma go far. Look at me now, if you wanna see good. In 5 years tops, I'ma still be.
What's good, y'all? Believe it or not, you're getting on my left side so I can see you. Believe it or not, time for my first ever flight in life. Got my fancy bags here. We're here about an hour early, so we'll see if we're early enough. Okay, I don't know why. My hand feels like it's shaking now as I'm getting closer to it. Like this is like the end of the line. Where's going? So we gotta walk in here. Oh my god. I'm actually getting shaky. Are you shaking too? Okay, see? There's like a million people here, so it's normal. Wait, what do you say to do? Go to the right. Yeah, upstairs, I think. Oh my gosh. Okay, notice the difference. Look at United. See how nice everybody is? All the workers. Like, oh, have a good flight. Go to Frontier. Hey, bitch, $20. Like, what? Alright, so I guess we're going up these escalators here. Oh god, it's actually real. I wasn't paying attention. Did you say to go up again? Or is it right here? It's so good. Now, hold on, I don't know. It says security. Terminal 3. Wait, E and F. What's your boarding pass say? Open up the ticket. I think it's F. Touch it.
3.
F5. So this is the F gate. So we go in here. So let's go into security. Oh my god. What? Wait, I really have to zigzag through here? Oh wait, no, it goes around. Okay. Okay, so security doesn't actually look too bad. I thought it was gonna be way worse. So I guess it shouldn't take too long. Wait, oh, never mind. I think it's on that. I'm not sure which one I'm going to, but maybe. Oh, I don't know where I'm going. Oh my gosh. Slower to start. 138. Oh my god. My heart's really high. Oh my gosh. Oh, 132. Oh my god. I'm having a panic attack. Went through security, got a pat down. I guess one of my bags got flagged too. So they had to search it a little bit, but it was different. They had new machines. So you don't actually have to take anything out of your bags. It just scans it, but I guess mine got flagged, so there's that. But, you know, overall TSA was nice. The third guy was a little bit of an ass at first, but he was alright. He was looking at my toothpaste like, this is kind of a big container, but it said 90, which is under 100, so it was fine. So yeah, we have 30 minutes until they start boarding. Let's see if we can get to Frontier now, and if that goes smooth. Wish us luck. All right, F gate is this way. You know what? The guy was like, oh, it's your first flight? He's like, how'd you know to opt out? I was like, I watched a bunch of videos, but like, hey, you can opt out. I was like, okay. So if you turn it off, it's less space.
I put it.
All right, there we go, F5. We're about 30 minutes early, so we're just gonna hang out here with everyone else and see how well this goes. I think that's the plane. Oh my god. We're like right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not zone 1 yet. So not yet. I'm next. Oh my god, it's time. We're about to hop on with all these people.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
No,
Good thing there's bags.
me.
Yeah, but me.
This guy is crazy. I'm scared about the wreck to be honest still.
That's even stupider. At least mine makes sense.
You know how it's possible?
Okay, it's my turn. Oh my god. It's as real as it gets. first flight over here. Woo! Look at my wings.
Where are you seated?
27.
Nothing to be worried about.
I hope so. I'm hoping this is the first of many. A little bit typically, yeah. Or not soon enough. Hi. So this is my first flight, so I put this up top and
Yes.
this under the seat?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
First flight ever?
Yes. Hopefully it's the first of many, many more.
I hope so.
Hope it's not too scary for me.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Yeah, that was the plan. Exactly. Just like, where are the numbers? Oh. Wait, so if it's closed, I mean it's full or?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, a little bit unfresh for that.
Cool, got some wings for the first flight. All right, almost time for take. Wait, what time is it? Is it 20? Oh, still got like 25 minutes. Oh, that's really early. Who knows? There's a lot of people on here. Maybe everyone's here. I'm jealous of my wings.
For those of you entering the aircraft, welcome aboard Frontier Airlines Flight 2157 with service to Las Vegas. As you're making your way to your seat, we kindly ask that you step into your row and out of the aisle to allow those customers behind you to reach their own seat. If you're traveling with a large roller bag, please place it in an overhead bin with the wheels or handle facing outward.
See what we got. We got the little tray. It's kind of cool. Safety manual. Oh, here's your instructions on how to use the seatbelt. We should have looked at it first. Oh yeah, see? See? Oh. No devices unless they say it's okay.
Yes.
Ooh, here's the bar. Okay, let's see what kind of goodies we got in here. Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh, here we go. Got some Pringles. Got some orange juice. Got some coffee. Only $4. I mean, that's not. I thought it'd be more. What's this? You can buy like a pack to take home or something? Oh wait, it's cheese, cookies, almonds, olives, crackers, and a hand wipe. Oh my gosh. What if I'm like, wow, flying's cool. I'm gonna be a flight attendant. That'd be really funny. Never flew ever, and then all of a sudden, you know what? I'm gonna work on the plane.
No.
You don't think so?
No.
It's going to be a quick 40 minutes. Nice day to fly. To expect an on-time arrival in Las Vegas at 7 o'clock local time. Invite you to sit back, relax, enjoy the flight. Welcome aboard.
Seated with seatbelts fastened and all carry-on items, including laptops, should remain stowed. Please silence cell phones and other portable devices and ensure they are switched to game or airplane mode. Flight attendants prepare doors for departure and cross-check. Stand by for all calls.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Esta es mi parte favorita, ver cómo el carrito empuja al avión para guiar.
America's Greenest Airline. Your flight attendants today are Leslie, Sherry, Cariana, and my name is Angelica. Flying us to Las Vegas is Captain Jared and First Officer Vince. On behalf of your crew and Buck the Pronghorn on the Tail and Wings, thanks for traveling with us today. In preparation for departure, be sure all carry-on items are stowed under the seat in front of you and that stretch seats and all tray tables are upright. Make sure your small electronic devices are held or secure in a pocket, seat back pocket, or carry-on for takeoff. As we care about your safety, please pause the use of electronic devices, Remove the safety information card from the seat back pocket and direct your attention to the flight attendant. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle. To adjust, pull the loose strap, and to release, lift the top of the buckle. The seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your lap. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits. There are 2-door exits in the front and 2-door exits on the rear of the cabin. In addition, there are 4 overwing exits, 2 on each side. Each is equipped with an evacuation slide that inflates automatically when open, and the slides at the forward and rear exit doors may be used as rafts. Red and white signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to all exits. Please take a moment to locate your nearest exits, keeping in mind they might be behind you. Leave all carry-on belongings should there be an emergency evacuation. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop from the overhead compartments throughout the cabin and inside all lavatories. Quickly pull down on a mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and adjust the fit by pulling on the elastic tabs. Make sure to adjust your mask first before assisting a child or others. Although oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag will not inflate. In the event of a water evacuation, remove the life vest under your seat when instructed to do so by a crew member. Pull the red strap to open the container, remove the pouch, and pull the tab to one side to remove the vest. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, and insert the end into the buckle. Pull the strap to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab or blow into the red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest. The vest is equipped with a water-activated light. The location and use of life vests for small children may be found in the safety information card. An additional life raft is located in the overhead bin. Location and instructions for use of this additional life raft may be found in the safety information card. Also in the safety information card, you will find instructions for the use of escape lines. Escape lines are designed to assist customers evacuating through a window exit and while on the aircraft wing during a water evacuation. They are located in marked overhead bins in the mid-cabin. For everyone's safety and comfort, federal regulations require all customers to comply with posted placards and lighted signs throughout the cabin as well as crew member instructions. A friendly reminder that smoking is not permitted on any Frontier flight, including the use of vape pens, and federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a laboratory smoke detector. Flight attendants are now passing through the cabin to conduct our final safety checks before takeoff. Please let us know if you have questions about the information covered in our safety briefing. Thanks again for choosing Frontier Airlines and enjoy your flight.
Everyone's like, we've heard this a billion times.
For what?
They're like, we heard this a billion times, we already know. I'm like, okay. Oh my goodness, like just.
You poopy me everything. I didn't even to ask you.
You're not even recording it.
Oh my god. Are you the tomo?
Thank you. Excuse me.
Nos empezamos a mover. Ay, Dios. Creo que se está desbaratando antes de empezar. Qué miedo. Creo que huele a camioncito. Qué raro. Creo que huele a humo de camión. Está arrancando los motores, las turbinas.
Oh, I thought we were moving. Let's see.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be dimming cabin lighting for takeoff. There are reading lights located above your seat for additional lighting.
Oh, now I got AC. Ooh. Oh, you know what I saw? It was like that, like blue lights. Wait, maybe it wasn't a real one.
Nos quedamos sin luz.
Oh, we're going.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, we get the, what is that, a reindeer on the wing?
I don't know.
You're supposed to collect all the animals. And then what? I don't know if you win something.
Ay, Dios. Ay, Dios. Siento que ya empiezo a volar y eso que todavía no sube, todavía no empieza. Me dio pena. Ay, dije,
Oh my gosh, the wings are moving. Okay, my heart rate's racing too. It's going up. Oh my
Este chico se
goodness.
está muriendo antes de tiempo.
Tips, please prepare for departure.
Uh-oh, here we go. We're gonna go. Alright, you're recording. We're about to go. He said prepare. Yeah.
We are flooding? No? Yes?
Maybe? I don't know.
Oh no, it's still
It looks like it. Are we? Are we?
Estoy confundida, no sé si ya despegamos o es mi imaginación.
We're in the air.
Sí, no tengo ni
We're in the
idea.
air.
Ay, bien.
Right. Number 2.
Siento que voy volando, pero no tengo ni la menor idea. Creo que sí, ya despegamos. I know, sí.
Right?
Ay, bien.
I need to check my watch for the elevation.
Ay, confused. Me creerán que no sé si estoy en el aire o estoy en la tierra.
Yeah, right.
Ay, bien.
Because the wheels aren't that high, right? I don't know. Maybe not. I can't tell.
Maybe not, because they
Yeah, you have to pick up speed, right?
Yeah.
It looks like it though, right?
But I think they
Are you
still.
sure?
No, they still made ready that
Maybe we're on a hill.
when we.
Are we up
stay
it? Are we
over
like on a hill? Because we're higher, right?
I think it's almost when they stay there, going to start running.
But we're higher. So we're like up, it's like a mountain? Okay, false alarm, we're not in the air. Okay, so we're waiting for our turn. You ready? Are you ready? How many planes are in front of us? Can you see?
I can see nothing. It's very small.
I know, I thought they'd be bigger.
It's kind of confused, but I think they wait a turn and started running. It looked like, but I didn't know.
It's an illusion.
I think it's almost ready. So they going to pick out the road. Yeah, they started, I
Is
guess.
it our turn now?
Yeah, and go and start over there in the room.
Are we still turning?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look at that nice picture. Oh yeah, look at that.
Maybe you're not my way, I can see.
Look, that side has the sun. Oh wow, the mountains look crazy. It's like a pile of mud.
Yeah.
The girl's laughing too. She's trying to sleep over there. She's like, oh. Oh my god, we're closer to the sun. I'm burning. So I got sunscreen. Oh my god, I can feel this. You feel it?
Now that we're airborne, we extend a special welcome to our elite discount in Go Wild All You Can Fly and Frontier Airlines MasterCard members. Your business and loyalty are appreciated by all of us here at Team Frontier. If you're not a card holder, we'll have an exclusive offer for you later in flight. For your safety, it's important to remain seated with your seatbelts fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is turned on. While seated, please make sure your seatbelt is fastened even if the sign is turned off. Please use caution when opening overhead bins to prevent injuries as items may have shifted during takeoff. You may now use approved electronic devices and remember to keep them in game or airplane mode. A listing of approved devices may be found in the safety information card. There are 3 lavatories for this aircraft, 1 forward and 2 in the rear of the cabin. For those traveling with little ones, 2 of them are equipped with a changing table. For
anything except discover. Okay. So what do you think so far?
I feel like I stay in the fair.
I don't. I feel like the fair's worse.
On behalf of your daughter's space flight crew, we'd like to thank you guys for choosing the flight with us today.
I don't.
We'd
I
like
only
to
felt
extend
like
a
when
special thank you to our current Frontier card
and you're
members.
like, whoa.
For those of you who are not currently card members, we're excited to offer a very special in-flight loyalty offer. New card members may earn 50,000.
So I guess the only problem is I'm just really fucking thirsty. I'm really thirsty. Thirsty.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, me too.
Somebody got bored on their flight. Look how flat the earth is. Are we shaking? We're getting some turbulence, I think. He didn't make an announcement, but a little bit.
It's more and more.
So we're flying over the mountains, right?
Still in
The mountains don't make it worse.
Able to securely fasten for the duration of the flight. We'll be coming through the aisles to collect any cups, napkins, and other service items that you would like to discard. Thank you.
So they said we're gonna start our initial descent into Vegas, and I'm like, didn't we just start? Hold on, wait a minute. Okay, so it's 6:25. We left at 5:40. It's been 40 minutes? Or it's been like 30 minutes? Well, I guess we kind of stopped a little bit, so it's a little bit after. I don't know. So now it's already, since we were supposed to leave at 5:45, 15. It's been like 40 minutes since we were supposed to leave. I mean,
Maybe in the air it's like 20 minutes. I don't know.
no, it was supposed to be like 40 and then like 10 minutes parking.
Yeah, check in that time the video.
It's like when you go to like SmackDown, you get there late or wow, and it's just like over already. Oh shit, we're turning.
Make sure your seatbelts and tray tables are in their upright and locked positions. Laptop computers and other larger electronics should be stowed at this time. Any small electronic devices must remain in game or airplane mode and may continue to be used or stowed within reach.
You can feel this.
So at the
I see your big head's in my way.
crew.
So I'm like,
Welcome to Las Vegas.
we're not landing yet.
Very strict. We had to have our loads ready.
Just like that.
Say that.
Oh, don't forget my bag. Everybody's gone. Meanwhile, the guy over here was afraid, doesn't want to leave. It's cool.
How was it?
I'm not gonna lie, it was like nothing.
You was thinking way worse than what it was.
I didn't even feel us like landing or anything.
No, they do a good job.
Yeah, that was amazing. I was like, oh, we just hit the ground. I felt that a little bit. Was that turbulence though, or is that just
That little
nothing?
pothole. That's
Like, yeah.
on the way in, it was a little shaky.
Yeah.
And you got your wings on.
Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna be wearing these for every flight.
Turn the air up next time.
Thank you.
And thank you guys. You guys were awesome.
Have a nice night.
You too. They were the last ones on the. Bye. Thank you. You too.
Did you enjoy your flight?
It was awesome. It was way better than expected. Yeah, first of many. Oh wow! I thought it took a long time. I was like, why did it take so long? All right, here we go. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, guys. I would say best flight ever, although it's the first flight ever, so I have no comparison, but like, I'm just like, why was I scared? Like, that was, I don't know, all the people, like, I guess I could blame movies, because movies make it always look terrible, you know, they're like, oh my god, turbulence. But no, it was awesome. Like, yeah, you know you're in Vegas when the slot machines are ready. You know you're in Vegas when the airport has slot machines. Is this where I win the jackpot? Dunkin' Donuts on your top. Okay, now I can stop worrying because I have a ton of extra room because they didn't check in Phoenix. So on the way back, they're checking everybody. So I just wanted to make sure. But I don't have to worry about anything. But you got to worry. So, welcome to Vegas, everybody. Okay, here we go. So we already started gambling because I got the rental car. It's a supplier's choice and a random company. So we're gonna see where we go and what we get. So got to start off somewhere. Thanks. There we go, Las Vegas. Woo! Wow, this is a nice airport, not gonna lie. It's giant, there's cool stuff everywhere. I don't want to leave. Might have just found the sign we're looking for. No bags to pick up, use the red line tram for ground transportation. All right, we're waiting for our next plane. Oh, my bad, train. All right, I have no idea if this is the right one, but I guess we'll figure it out. Oh my god, this thing's faster than the plane.
Please hold on to your post.
We're moving. This feels worse than the plane somehow. Does that even make sense? That's where we go, right? Alright, I think we're going in the right direction. Yikes. You know how hard it is to get this thing on the escalator? Believe it or not, I came this way because I really wanted to see what baggage claim looked like. because, you know, never seen it before. I mean, there's nothing going on, so I guess we missed it. But the party's going on over there. Hey! And the shuttle looks like it's this way. All right, walking outside finally. You know what's funny? I got a funny joke. We were in the air for like 40 minutes and we've been at this airport for like an hour. Something's wrong with us.
But you spend more time like that, waiting for the plane.
That's what I was saying. Like, I don't feel like it makes sense to fly here because you spend all the extra time and then getting off and everything. But we spend more time here on purpose. Like, normally, I guess we just leave once we know where we're going and everything.
Yeah.
So I guess not. But you're still supposed to get there early when you're leaving, so that's still an hour at least. So. You know, but like, we're going somewhere far, it makes sense. But I don't know, this was still cool though. I didn't have to drive. I'm not tired. All right, rental car shuttle this way. Rental cars gotta cross the street. Is this the bus? Or is it across there? Uh-oh. Huh, Ace Rental Car's not on here. That's what we got, so I hope it's over there. I don't know how to get to the other rental cars. Do we take a shuttle, or do we have to pay for a taxi, or what? All right, turns out Ace has their own little shuttle here. Yeah, if you want. All right, y'all, just got the rental car at Ace. It was a bit of a journey. We took a shuttle, and then from the rental car place, we had to take a little bus shuttle over to here, which is like in a industrial parking lot. It's kind of weird. It's kind of sketchy. But we're here, and I picked the manager special because it was cheap, and I could have got a mid-size guarantee, but I was like, I don't really care what I get. Small, big, whatever you want to give me, whatever. So I go inside. The guy's cool, but he's trying to upsell me like crazy. He's like, so you got the manager special. Remember, I could have got a mid-size guarantee for the same price. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna gamble, it's Vegas. So it's like, yeah, the manager special is probably gonna be like a minivan or something, whatever we have the most of. But he's like, if you want to get a Charger or something, it's only an extra $40 a day. I'm like, $40 a day? I'm like, nah, I don't really care what I get. Give me whatever you guys have, I don't care. So he's like, okay. And then he tried to upsell me on the insurance. I was like, nah, I'm good. And yeah, he's like, oh, you're gonna pay the deductible and your rates are gonna go up. I'm like, eh. So anyways, he wanted to give me the Charger for $40 extra a day. But I went to get the car and I ended up with a Charger for the same price. What? 2022 Charger, remote start, push start, all the goodness. So somehow I got the upsell without paying anything. Let's go. Man, we've been sitting here for a long time. The guy in front of us is actually the guy that was with us in line, and he's still here. I can't believe it. Like, we took our time getting ready because I was like, oh, there's a line, but nope, still here. All right, we just parked the Charger. Elevators are right over yonder. We're gonna unload and go check in. It's almost 10 o'clock. Let's see what's up. This is pretty annoying. I don't think there's a button on here to open the trunk. You have to use, oh, is this it? I found the button. The button's right here in a weird, stupid spot. Just in a long time to get my Caesar Rewards card. Now I gotta go check into this hotel. Let's do it. There were more people in line earlier. Now it's empty, so I don't even feel cool skipping the line anymore. Wait, so let's go. Maybe, I don't know. So we're 55, I guess, so push the button. There's 50, there's all these, I didn't realize we're gonna be that high. It got up to 43 already, it just left. Oh god, it's like the airplane again. We're on the highest floor out of everybody. We're at the top. Yeah. Is it really 55? I still don't know. I still don't believe it. There's no way that's 55 floors. It took like 2 seconds. There's no way. I didn't feel it. It's like the airplane. 55, 21. Boom, right. We're right by the elevator, which is good because it's close, but it sucks because it's loud.
Is that one?
Yeah. All right, that's nice. Where's the lights at? Am I crazy? Oh, you have to put the it's like the cruise. You have to put your card in here for the power. That's weird. You need your card for everything here.
Yeah.
Wait, there are no lights in here. You don't have to walk up to all the lights, do you? Okay, this is really stupid. I wanted royalty. Why do I have to walk up to all the lights? All right, y'all, hotel on the 55th floor, double beds here because the plan was to have other people, but you know, no one wanted to go. Lame. I am talking to you. Okay. I don't like this though. We have to turn on all the lights with switches, which is kind of stupid. I thought there'd be a light switch somewhere, but I guess it is what it is. Got this, got a, what is this? Might be a 65-inch TV. LG, all right, got this full body mirror. Then the bathroom, oh, LED lights, nice toilet, nice shower, shampoo, conditioner, body wash right here. None of those little bottles that you can steal. Talking to you, Allie. You can't steal the shampoo.
Oh my God.
Actually, you can fill up your little bottles with it for the plane. But yeah, nice. Not bad. And we're on the 55th floor, which was the highest floor of the, like, I don't know, I guess it wasn't basic elevators because it only had like 45 to 55 or something as far as the floors went. And then there was one that went 56 up to like 70. But there's a bunch below us, I would assume. So we're up pretty high. We're supposed to have a pool view, so let's actually see what we have. Oh, can we see? Where's the pool? Okay, the pool's over like to the left. Where is it? Okay, it's right down there. You see, it's kind of hard to see because it's dark, but it's right there. Now that's, I mean, I guess it's sort of a pool view, but then we have Caesar's Palace right over there. I mean, overall, not bad. I mean, good room for $8 a night. What? Plus, hey, where is it? Got the free water. Yeah, because we're an emperor. Making our way over, trying to find Panda Express. I thought it was inside, but she said it's outside somewhere. It's better than the Rio, right? You walk right out here and you're already here.
Let's get to it. Let me make you.
I feel like we didn't take the directions right. Yeah, we got the Panda and came back to the room because somebody's weird.
We're weird. It's small and it's, well, no, it's more cold here, but it's small and too many people.
Wow, look at all this food. Got the new some kind of like chili shrimp thing. Looks pretty good. Got South Park. What?